Japanese purr was not it. So much better and more my vision of what I wanted. But yeah. At my desk now, but I want to so soft. They sent me these white mittens, and one of them has, they also sent me 2 lip sleeping masks. Okay, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I randomly decided that I was gonna do a Sunday reset video because I was washing my hair and sitting down and thinking about all the things I need to do today, and I figured why not take you guys along with me. I've already obviously gotten up for the day and I went ahead and just washed my hair. This is probably going to be the last time I'm going to have my curls out for a little while, which is kind of crazy to think about, but just did a simple shampoo and condition, and then I prepped my hair for a braid out. But I need to clean my room and just like get everything sorted because, as you can tell, it's just a bit all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead, do that, do a bit of a time lapse, make my bed, maybe do some laundry, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as I get my life together for Sunday.
I think they realized that she was like kind of in, they can't live unless there's a get the right life and imagine censor. I'm talking acclimated. This is the best woman. It's gonna just like, it's foreshadowing. She doesn't say that's real. When you start liberation, maybe they were separated by 2000. It's fall, so what for you but Thrive Cosmetic know my business, and I do not want to be now.
Okay, so I finished cleaning my room and I wanted to show you these 2 sweaters that I thrifted yesterday. First one is this white one and it's absolutely darling. Look at it. The little flowers. It's just white and cute. And this was only like, what, $9.99? You can't go wrong. The second one I got is this gray one. Super cute. Love her. I just needed like a plain gray sweater, so grabbed this. So those are 2 sweaters I thrifted. My tip always for the winter and fall seasons, always go to Value Village or any like thrift store to get your sweaters. The store is just way too expensive and the quality is just so much better at thrift stores. So that's my cute little mini haul. Okay, and then I also realized I also picked up these little like UGG dupes. I've been looking and eyeing UGG Tasmans for the longest time. I tried on a dupe from Crown Vintage last year, but the heel just kept lifting off. I don't know why, but my feet just kept slipping out of them for some reason, and I was like, I don't know. I tried on the UGG ones, same thing happened. So anyways, so we're having a little bit of a sale on Amazon, so I got these little like dupes, platform dupes from there, just because I'm like, I feel like spending over $100 for slippers is a bit insane. So got these. I've worn them this past weekend and I actually really like them. They're super cute. They're gonna go really well with my sweater that I just purchased, so got these, wanted to show you. So we currently have someone working on our house Wi-Fi, so I think I'm actually going to charge this camera because it is dying a little bit, and I'm going to pick you guys up after. In that time, I think I'm going to make myself coffee because it's like almost 2 and I still haven't had one yet. I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to start planning for the new year and just like the week and stuff like that, and I'll show you after when I'm done. But I'm gonna go ahead I'm going to go ahead and charge this camera, and I'll pick you guys up later.
Person in America is the black woman.
It is much later. Sorry about the noise. That is my laptop. But I'm so locked in today. I worked out. I had a really good workout, really good stretch recovery, had dinner, showered. Well, actually no, I didn't shower. Had dinner, practiced piano, and also someone is drilling outside my house. I don't really know what's going on, but anyways, I am now editing the video that you guys are watching currently. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some editing because I really want to get back on my upload grind like I was before. Do this, eat a few peanut M&Ms, I have some peppermint tea. Then after this I'm gonna read for a little bit and go to sleep. But just want to update you. Let's edit.